Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Apple Watch Ultra 2 for fitness. First, ensure your health profile is accurate for precise calorie and activity tracking. Open the workout app and select from over 100 workout types, like running or swimming. You can customize your workout views to display essential metrics such as heart rate, distance, and pace, making your data easily accessible during exercise. This foundational setup is crucial for maximizing your fitness journey. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 offers superior GPS accuracy with its dual-frequency system, perfect for mapping outdoor routes precisely. For runners, it tracks advanced metrics such as vertical oscillation, stride length, and ground contact time, providing deeper insights into your form. Additionally, monitoring your heart rate zones helps you train effectively, whether you are aiming for endurance or high-intensity intervals, ensuring optimal effort for your fitness goals. You can create personalized interval workouts directly on your watch, tailoring your training to specific goals. Beyond exercise, the Ultra 2 emphasizes recovery. Utilize the Recovery app to understand your body's readiness for your next workout, helping prevent overtraining. Furthermore, tracking your sleep stages and duration provides comprehensive insights into your recovery, ensuring you get adequate rest to support your fitness progress and overall well-being. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 includes vital safety features. The customizable action button provides quick access to functions like starting a workout or marking a compass waypoint. In emergencies, the built-in siren can emit a loud sound, audible up to 180 meters, to attract attention. Its advanced compass and backtrack feature also help you navigate unfamiliar terrain safely, ensuring you can always find your way back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.